Hello, year one. Guess who? It's Mrs. Riley and Miss B, the dream team, ready with maths for today. Right, Miss B, it looks like you've been busy getting ready. What do we need today?
I have. So we have drawn ourselves our own number line because you might not have a number line at home, but we haven't got all of the numbers on it, Mrs. Riley.
No.
There are some missing, but if I go 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, I wonder if you know what our number line is going up in.
It's in big chunks, isn't it?
It is.
I can bet that everybody's shouting out to us now.
Shall we listen?
Let's hear. They're saying it's being done in tens.
It is, and we have got a number line that's showing our multiples of 10, and they're going to help us today with some ordering of our numbers because we've been thinking about more, less, and that tricky one.
Fewer.
Excellent, Mrs. Riley, you have learnt it. So I've got some numbers here, Mrs. Riley.
Sorry, I was
But to
doing a
help
thumbs
us,
up.
no, you give a thumbs
Okay.
up, Mrs. Riley.
Yep.
But I've done the numbers slightly different, Mrs. Riley, because
Okay.
I've done them in different colours
Let's have a
because
closer look.
we need to start thinking about if they've got 2 digits, what each of those digits means. And our counting in tens is going to help us because the digit at the beginning shows how many tens we need to make that number. So I've done that number in black to match.
Okay.
And then our ones are in a different colour.
Yeah.
It's green.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're going to think about ordering those numbers.
Right.
So I'm wondering which number is the smallest. So which number is less? Which number is the fewest?
Boys and girls, which one do you think it is? I'm wondering whether it's the 5 because there aren't any tens in 5.
There aren't any 10s. So now I'm going to think where that's going to go on my number line. So has it got 2 10s?
No,
Mrs. Riley?
it goes all the way up here because there's a 5 there.
What do you think, guys, at home?
Do you think I'm right?
So we've got 5 10s. And
No.
we haven't got 5 10s. We've only got 5 1s, Mrs. Riley. So we haven't got any 10s. So here's my first 10. So I've got to think, well, it's going to be lower than
It's
that.
less than 10, isn't
It's
it?
less than 10. It's fewer than 10. So I'm just going to place that one there, Mrs. Riley.
Okay.
And then it might be that some of these numbers we don't actually know. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our counting in tens to help us. So I'm going to choose this number because this one is quite big. We might know it, we might not know it, but it's okay if we don't know it.
Yeah, we can learn it.
So I'm going to have a look to see where my 3 10s are. So I can go 0, 10, 20, 30.
So it's a 30 number.
It's a 30.
Oh,
so
that's what it means.
I'm going to put it before the 30.
Oh, I'm not quite sure about that.
Oh yeah, because look, 30.
Yeah.
I haven't got a 0.
No.
I've got a 2. Oh, so it's
a little
30.
bit 2. It's a little bit bigger than 30.
So if it's bigger, it's going to go
This end.
after.
That's it. Lovely.
Excellent.
Perfect.
Which one shall we go for next?
I think we should do 12 because that's a tricky one.
12. That's 1 10. Oh, 1 10.
1 10 and how many greens?
2
the ones.
ones.
2 ones.
Is it going to go before
Or
after? Or which multiples of 10 might it go in between?
well, it might be in between. Oh, I don't know. This is a bit tricky
10,
for me.
11, 12.
So it's in between the multiples 10 and 20.
Excellent. Right, 26, Mrs. Riley.
Last
I
one.
can see that there are 2 10s, so I'm going to go
10, 20.
And it's going to be after 20 because I've got the 6 ones. And it's going to go between 20 and 30. And so now
26.
I've put my numbers in order. 5,
12, 26, 32. So choose some numbers and have a go.